Hello everyone, this is for Algebra A, finding the surface area of a box. So surface area is akin to how much wrapping paper does it take to wrap it, or how much cardboard would it need to make the box. Okay, so I can't spin this, but you have this side and one just like it on the other side. So that's why you're going to have two of them. That would be this one here. I'm going to call this side the length. I guess I got that covered, so let me erase that out. This would be the length, this would be the width, and this would be the height. So to find the area of this piece, this is also the height. So it would be length times height, and you're going to have two of them. This piece here is width times height, and you're going to have this side and the one over here that you can't see. So it's width times height. Then you have the top and the bottom. So this side is the length, this side is the width. So you have two of these, the top and the bottom. That's this one here. So all I have to do is write down, so I have my length is equal to 3, my width is equal to 2, and my height is equal to 8, and now I'm going to fill them in. So I have 2 times the length, 3. And by the way, that's an implied multiplication in these things, okay? 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width, which is 2, times the height, which is 8. And you just grab your calculator and you type it all in. So I'm just going to go down the road. 2 times 3 times 2, that's this first bit, plus 2 times 3 times 8, that's this piece, and then this piece, plus 2 times 2 times 8. And you just hit enter, and there's your answer. So you would then type in 92, and it would provide the units for you in Delta Math. So I'm going to call this the length, the width, and the height. So I have length is equal to 1, width is equal to 4, height is equal to 3. And I'm just going to again fill them in. So I have 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width times the height. And again, you just take your calculator and you just type it in as you see it. So that's 2 times 1 times 4, plus 2 times 1 times 3, plus 2 times 4 times 3. Enter. And it would tell you in this case 38 units, and the units are going to be provided, in this case miles, all right? Be miles squared is what it would be, okay? Okay, so this is the length, the width, and the height. So I'm just going to fill them in. 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width times the height. And again, you just type this right in your calculator, and out pops the answer, okay? I'm not sure you guys really need to see me type that in again. I think you understand that. But just label what's length, width, and height, and write it down. Don't try and keep track of it in your head. Okay, I don't keep track of it in my head. Okay, there's no expectation you do also. Thank you.